Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to shoot this next video. As you can see from the title, it says Diamonds Are Forever, $100 commissions in PLS, Power Lead System. Yes, this is the start of a series of videos I'm going to make on the upgrades in Power Lead System and why it's important to upgrade to all of them as soon as you can. Now, I understand you can't, some of you just can't afford to do all of them all at once, but we're starting with Diamond because that's the one I am qualified for. And yes, I am also going to tell you about the $400 commissions and the $1,000 commissions, because even though I am not qualified, I still have your best interests in mind, and I still want you guys to make as much as you possibly can in this opportunity. Now, when you join ILP, Internet Lifestyle Pros is the training platform for Power Lead System and also in promotion of online business in general. And it's also going to be your sales presentation as well for Power Lead System. You're going to see all of this in ILP as well, but I just wanted to show you guys these videos real quick, just so you can understand why I paid the one-time purchase of $147. And as you can see in the screenshot I did from my phone, I have gotten my money back, and I have also increased and profited from my one-time $147 purchase. And in the future, with ILP and Power Lead System together, I have a feeling that these diamond commissions are actually going to start increasing. So I paid a one-time fee, and all the upgrades to unlock the $400 commissions and the $1,000 commissions, they are all one-time purchases. Once you pay the one-time fee, you are now locked to make those commissions for forever, and that goes the same for Platinum and Master Traffic Institute. So I'm going to play a video for you guys right now, talking all about Diamond. This is going to be, let me turn up the volume so my microphone can pick it up. And I'm just going to click on this play button right here.
We want to let you in on our newest and most popular membership, which can multiply your income 5 times. It's called our Diamond Package, and it can pay you $100 commissions over and over again, many times, every single day. And we do this through our breakthrough accelerated leverage compensation plan. That's right, the same powerful compensation plan we use to pay our $20 residual commissions is the same program we use for our high commission diamond level offer. With accelerated leverage, your referrals can multiply exponentially, creating a team of hundreds, even thousands of people, all passing you up $20 residual commissions. But with Diamond, your commissions are multiplied 5 times, adding an extra $100 commission to every $20 residual sale. Just think about it. Each new member rolling up to your pay line is another $100 commission. And these can add up really fast. Just 5 new members would pay you $500 in diamond level commissions. 10 to 20 new members would pay you $1,000 to $2,000 in diamond commissions. And 50 to 100 new members would pay you an incredible $5,000 to $10,000 in diamond commissions. But here's where your income really begins to explode. As a diamond member, You'll also get paid a 25% matching bonus of the Payline commissions from every Diamond member that you personally refer. If just one of your referred members made $1,000 in commissions, your 25% bonus would be $250 with no extra work. And if they made $10,000, your 25% bonus would be an incredible $2,500 paid right to you automatically. And remember, you're paid this 25% matching bonus on everyone you personally refer at the Diamond level. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people, all paying you 25% of their Diamond level commissions. And as you can see, these Diamond level commissions can turn into serious, part-time, even full-time income, with just a small group making monthly referrals. When you accept your Diamond level membership right now, you get access to one of the newest in-demand training programs. This product is called the $1 Million Secret to Getting Unlimited Free Advertising. This powerful marketing program shows you step by step exactly how to build a massive organization in any opportunity, starting from scratch. This is the exact system that helped the creator of this training program personally generate over $964,000 in advertising co-op funds, helping him to grow multiple massive organizations and different opportunities over the last 25 years. His jealously guarded co-op advertising secrets helped him create a team of over 24,000 distributors, becoming the company's top enroller and the #1 earner, all with no money out of his own pocket. Now, armed with this information, you're finally going to be able to explode your organization and build that long-term residual income that you've always wanted. Don't let these exponential $100 commissions slip through your fingers and pass up to your sponsor. Increase your income potential 5 times by adding this amazing course to your order right now for just $147. This is not $147 per month, it's just one time. So go ahead and click on that buy button below right now and get started today.
Okay, so I already purchased it, so I don't have the buy button, but the when you choose to buy it, you'll have a button here and you can purchase it. I highly recommend that you at least do Diamond right away if you can. Of course, I am not, if you can't afford to do something right now, be smart and then just don't do it. But it's only $147 and you unlock the $100 commissions and those amazing residuals you make off of your referrals, as you saw in the video. So that is the Diamond package in Power Lead System. As you can see right here, I'm green. I am qualified. My next 2 videos are going to be Social Profit Academy. That's another training course that deals with Facebook and Facebook advertising. And this one right here is Master Traffic Academy. Master Traffic Institute, which is, I think there's about 8 people who share their secrets on how they have built a six-figure income online. There's a lot of great information in both of these courses, and you also unlock the $400 commissions and the $1,000 commissions. So I hope you guys liked this video. Hit the like button if you did. If you would like to see my opportunity, it's in the link below. Attached to the end of this video, I will have a link to my video presentation on Internet Lifestyle Pros and Power Lead System. You should check that out. That's my business opportunity as well. And that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. If you wanted to subscribe to my channel, there is a button below this video, and when you click that button, right next to the subscribe button, you'll see a bell pop up. Hit that bell because that's the notification bell, and that will notify you when I create new content. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys all in video number 2, which will be the Platinum Package Social Profit Academy. See you in the next video, guys.